Ungqongqoshe womnyango wezasekhaya Aaron Motsoaledi uthi akusilo iqiniso ukuthi leliqeqebane labantu base-Afghanistan abadinga indawo yokukhosela kuleli baxoshiwe eZimbabwe. UMotsoaledi usho kanje kulandela isinqumo esithathwe yinkantolo ephakeme yase Pitoli esivunela ababantu abangama-22 abafuna ukuzokhosela kuleli kulandela ukuphelela kwabo indawo eZimbabwe. UMotsoaledi uthi iZimbabwe ilandele inqubomgomo yayo ekwenzeni lokhu.
The judge is saying something to the effect that they were expelled from Zimbabwe or they were sent away from Zimbabwe, etc. They were not. Their period of stay there was just over, in the same way as many countries in the world do. You can go to the US. If you were given permission to stay for the 5 days, on the 5th day, they'll come to the hotel wherever you are and say, no, your time is over. So that's what Zimbabwe did.
I completely share the outrage from South Africans in general about this Afghan matter. You know, Chairperson, I think it really amounts to a blatant abuse of South Africa, of South Africans, of the Minister of Home Affairs, of our entire department, and of our autonomy as a state.